Have you ever taken a photo and wonder what that object is? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you don't have to guess because you can use Bixby Vision object identifier to scan a photo and read aloud the name of recognizable object instantly. Here's how to do it. First, open Gallery app and then open the photo that has clear object you want to identify. Tap the Bixby icon at the top of the photo and then select Object Identifier.
Violin.
As you can see, Bixby will scan the image and automatically detect objects. It will then label anything it recognizes and read the object names aloud one by one as it recognizes them. Tap the back key to return to your photo. So, given the function, this feature is super useful for accessibility, quick identification, or just having fun seeing what your phone can pick out in your photos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.